Today we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder, a three-row SUV that brings fresh styling, upgraded tech, and a refined driving experience without losing the practicality it's known for. From the moment you see it, the updated front end stands out with a reshaped grille, slimmer headlights, and darker satin finishes that give it a more modern and confident personality. There's also a new color option called Baltic Teal that adds a bold new flavor to the lineup, while higher trims offer updated roof rails and redesigned 20-inch wheels for a more premium look. Inside, the Pathfinder makes an even bigger leap. Every trim now comes with a large 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The overall cockpit feels more intuitive, with physical volume and tuning knobs proudly restored beneath the central vents, something drivers will definitely appreciate. On the upper trims, you also get a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster, a smoother and faster wireless phone charger that now cools your device, and magnets that help the phone stay perfectly positioned. The new HD Intelligent Around View monitor adds smarter camera angles, including an extra-wide 180-degree front view and an invisible hood, feature that lets you virtually see what's right under the front of the car. This helps whether you're navigating a tight parking spot or exploring trails under the hood. The Pathfinder sticks to its proven 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. It delivers smooth, reliable performance with around 284 horsepower, making it capable for daily driving, long trips, and towing loads of up to 6,000 pounds. All-wheel drive remains available across trims, and the Rock Creek model comes standard with a WD and adds lifted suspension, all-terrain tires, a stronger roof rack, LED fog lights, and a more rugged, adventure-ready personality. The cabin stays focused on comfort and family life. Depending on your configuration, you can seat 7 or 8 passengers, with plenty of room for everyone. Upper trims introduce more premium touches like quilted seating, wood-tone interior accents, and improved sound insulation that keeps road noise down during high-speed travel. Features like tri-zone climate control and dedicated rear vents ensure comfort no matter where you're seated. Safety is a major highlight too. Every 2026 Pathfinder includes Nissan Safety Shield 360, which bundles features such as automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning. Higher trims add driver assist tech like adaptive cruise control, lane intervention, a head-up display, and even available 5G Wi-Fi for staying connected on the move. On the road, the Pathfinder offers a smooth and composed drive. It's not built to be a high-performance SUV, but it excels in delivering comfort, stability, and confidence for families and travelers. It feels refined, predictable, and well-balanced, perfect for long trips, daily commutes, and weekend getaways. Overall, the 2026 Nissan Pathfinder is a smart, polished upgrade. Nissan focused on better tech, better usability, smarter design, and improved comfort without changing the core strengths that buyers already relied on. If you want a spacious, reliable, and modern three-row SUV that blends daily practicality with a touch of adventure, the 2026 Pathfinder should absolutely be on your list.